Tuke mag SHABIKI Aegis Annual Tournament obagie boma Nairobi kendo kelo kanyakla timbe 12. Thoro ma tuke gine en puonjo rowere kokale tuke mag odhula. Tike gono nywako koda ka thieth ma onge chudo mar wang' koda tuno ero mar pressure manotele koda Lions Club Nairobi. Kambi ma shabiki.com bende nochiwo mich mopogore ne rowere manoyoro e tuke goeko. Aegis Football Academy olero ni gibiro dhi nyime gi bago orako mong'ith ne rowere ma pacho kae kaka yo mar jiwo talanta mage e weche mag tuke.
Apart from the kids, we are able to give back to their communities because every single weekend we take them from Zimmerman to Westlands to train. But then through these events, we are able to come back to their communities and actually show them, yes, as much as your kids are training elsewhere, we still remember that the talent is coming from this community.
As you can watch, these kids have a lot of talent, and that's why we are here. Then after they play their football, then we're also doing vision, giving them back their eyes and other people who are here.
We support the Aegis Academy through sponsorship of children to be able to nurture their talent in football. So today they've organized a charity tournament where they're playing with different teams across Nairobi, and also we, in partnership with Lions, there's the medical camp. So we are here to interact with the community, to thank the community, because we are SHABIKI because of the community.
Jang'wech mathere ng'eny kendo jaloch ng'we pinje mangima